up? So it is time for another underwear review. This time I am doing a different company. I think I've reviewed Sepratech underwear like the past 3 videos. So it's time for something new, and that company that I'm reviewing is called Nomad Trunks. And they not only make underwear, but they make swimwear and athletic shorts. So they sent me some underwear, some athletic shorts, and some swimwear, swim trunks to review. I haven't tried the underwear or the swim trunks on yet, but I have literally been wearing the athletic shorts for a week now. I haven't been able to wear any other shorts that I have because they're really cheap Target brand. And as a short guy, it's really hard to find shorts that don't go down to your ankles. So I fell in love with these shorts. They're high quality, they fit right, and I'll just show you kind of how they fit. If you are a short guy like me, you'll probably appreciate not having your shorts be nearly touching the ground. So these are the athletic shorts. They have pockets. They're nice, they're a silky material, but they're also thicker, but not too thick. And so yeah, they fit pretty nicely. Got some drawstrings. Yeah, I've been wearing these all week long. Because I've been wearing those all week long, I'm probably gonna buy some more. And if you would like to buy some more or try some, I'm gonna put the link down below for you to check out these shorts. I have not tried the underwear yet. Whoops, I just broke the box. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'll try on the swim trunks too. I haven't tested out the length on that at all. So here is the underwear. The material is a lot like the Sepratech Modal material, maybe a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier possibly. They have this separate mesh support pouch in here, so that should come in handy. I am going to try these on now and kind of see how they feel while I'm wearing them. Alright, so now that I got the underwear on, I'll show you what they look like. So these are the Nomad underwear. They're actually really comfortable. The downside is that I'm not feeling a whole lot of support with the extra mesh. I kind of just feel like I'm freeballing it. I think they might be slightly too big for me. There's a lot of extra space in the crotch area. So I don't know if that's just because, it's me and my anatomy is a little bit different than the average guy, or if that's the norm. But yeah, besides being too big, they do feel nice. So there is that, but I have to say they're not gonna reach that same level of support and love that I have for Sepratech, unfortunately. While I'm at it, I'm gonna try on their swim trunks though. So here are some swim trunks that they sent me. They are a nice salmon color here. Take this off. They do have a mesh liner and 2 back pockets. So let's see how these fit. So I have to say, although I'm not a fan of their underwear, I am a fan of their shorts because, once again, they aren't too freakishly long. They are really comfortable and they fit. That is just the most shocking, surprising thing for me, being a short guy. So I would give the trunks and the shorts 10 out of 10, no doubt. But the underwear, I'm sorry, the underwear didn't reach my expectations, and they probably aren't underwear that I'm going to wear on a regular basis. So, shorts, trunks, if you are a trans guy especially, they fit wonderfully. I highly recommend them. Underwear, maybe they have a different version that is a little better, but I wasn't 100% satisfied with that. But it could just be me. So yeah, Nomad Trunks, check them out. Links down below if you are interested, and all that sort of thing. On another note, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has bought a cookbook so far. I just appreciate it. I love seeing people with their cookbooks, or whether they're trying new recipes or whatever, if they're enjoying the book. If you have the time and you bought a book and you enjoy it, if you want to leave a review on Amazon, that would be awesome and would help me out a ton. So yeah, anyways, hopefully this video is helpful for you, and thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace out. I'll see you next time.